Hello, Moment Marketers. We are here with a new video. If you are struggling to understand what is Salesforce, what does Salesforce offer, how marketing is inclined to Salesforce, and career path in Salesforce, you are on the right video. We will uncover these concepts today. And this is our first video on Salesforce Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. These topics are planned to help new trailblazers who wanted to build their journey with Salesforce and later towards marketing. If you are already an experienced marketing blazer, sit relaxed and enjoy, and you might get some idea on other clouds here. I already provided my intro in a separate video, so here is just a quick glance. Go and watch the entire video to know more about me. Thank you everyone for joining, and here is a message for all of you. Gratitude. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. So, first of all, I would like to thank all of you for showing interest in this journey and supporting me. Hope our connection continues. As all of you know by now, I own a website where I'm covering topics on marketing cloud engagement, and this journey began in 2023. And in this particular video, we'll be uncovering concepts related to what this training plan is all about and why Salesforce and what is Salesforce, and then how marketing helps Salesforce ecosystem, and then some tips bits on Salesforce. And we'll be wrapping this particular video with trailhead help and certification related information. As I said before, I own a website where I'm covering topics on marketing cloud engagement, and the name of the website is SFMC Stories. And this journey began in 2023. I know most of you are here as this is the first session on Marketing Cloud Growth Edition. And as part of SFMC Stories, currently I'm focusing more towards marketing cloud engagement, and the future plan is to include certification, study guide, separate contents based on product like marketing cloud engagement, account engagement, growth edition, and advanced edition. And here is a link for my website, and go ahead and check the website. And if you have any suggestions or improvements, please do share it with me. Yep. Let's get into all about this series, like a training plan, what we are covering as part of this training. And I know most of you are here as this is the first session on Marketing Cloud Edition, and let's understand what's in the store part of this series. Marketing Cloud Growth Edition and Advanced Edition are buzzwords amongst marketers nowadays. So some housekeeping items related to this particular sessions that is planned. These are recorded videos hosted on YouTube, and feel free to drop any questions you have on the comment sections, and please be professional when dropping any comments. And we will also connect on a regular basis to address your queries related to product and anything else on Marketing Cloud. And as I told in one of the introduction video, the Q&A sessions are planned in such a way that we'll be having it on a bi-weekly basis. So today, if you are watching this video, I mean to say on the day of publishment of this video, the next publish happens the exactly next week, where we'll be discussing a different topic. And combining those two sessions, you will be having a Q&A session on that second week, where we'll be discussing any questions related to these videos or anything else related to marketing. Expect these videos on weekly basis. We will not end the journey with the MC on core. This is evolving journey with all the updates on marketing in one place. Now we will start with Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, and as we conclude Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, we will jump into Marketing Cloud Advanced Edition. And enjoy your journey, and let's build a stronger marketing group for tomorrow. And here is the overall training plan that you can see, where we will start with introduction to Salesforce ecosystem. As I told, Salesforce, Data Cloud, and Flow Builder. All these things are like foundation to Marketing Cloud on core. That is where we will start with the introduction to Salesforce ecosystem today. And once we conclude all the topics related to Marketing Cloud on core or in specific Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, then we will jump into Marketing Cloud Advanced Edition, where the initial setup and some of the implementation techniques are more or less similar on both the edition. Okay, so let's get into introduction to Salesforce. And as I told earlier, the focus for this particular video are beginners. If you are new to Salesforce or if you wanted to start your journey in Salesforce, you are in the right place. So first, let's understand what is Salesforce. Salesforce is world's number one customer relationship management platform, and it helps businesses manage their relationship with customers across sales, service, marketing, commerce, and more, all from a single platform on the cloud. And it was founded in 1999 and revolutionized the industry by moving CRM to the cloud, making it accessible, scalable, and affordable. And you may have a question, what is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's a strategy and tool set used to manage interaction with customers and potential customers. Traditional CRMs were clunky and hard to use. Salesforce came in with a fresh cloud first approach with automatic updates, low code, no code tools, AI features like Einstein, and a powerful ecosystem of apps and partners. Unlike legacy CRMs, Salesforce is cloud-based, so no need of external installation. And then it's customizable, highly customizable, then connected ecosystem of apps like whatever you are publishing as an app, you can bring it via App Exchange and you can connect it to that external platform. Then the other key term here would be like innovative. Salesforce is an innovative platform where you see some features related to AI, something related to analytics, automation, and personalization. And here is an official website for Salesforce, and other CRMs are like HubSpot, NetSuite, Pipedrive, Microsoft, Dynamics, and Zoho. And to make you understand, like in the past, we might have come across offline purchases, right? Nowadays, everything is online. Earlier, it was offline where you would go to a store, buy something, and then pay the bill. And you might give some details like your email address, phone number while paying the bill. When you're doing so, the shopkeeper is going to collect these information. Later point in time, they might reach out to you to advertise more about their particular brand or maybe the new products that has been launched, maybe through a SMS or maybe through a WhatsApp message or through an email. So this is more aligned to marketing side of business. And if the customer support person is reaching out to you, this is more aligned to a service side of the business. So likewise, most of the uh, work areas in that particular brand is related to the customer in one or the other way. But all of these are like offline and not connected, or maybe all of these are like separated out. So Salesforce brought up this idea to connect everything together and place all the details in one place. That is where the introduction of Salesforce began. And these are all the key benefits of Salesforce, like centralized data management. Salesforce provide unified platform to manage. So as I just now gave an example, you will get all the details of a customer in one place. Then scalability. Whether you are a startup or an enterprise, Salesforce scales effortlessly to meet your growing business needs. And then efficiency. Automate tasks, streamline process, and improve collaboration across teams. Then customization. As I told earlier, it is like innovative platform where it offers something on AI, analytics, automation, and whatnot. So you have everything for your customization to bring your business with all personalization related things in one place. And these are all the services. Like what is Salesforce? In one term, if you want to say, software as a service or a platform as a service. This is what Salesforce is all about. And you can categorize it into three main types here, like what type of service Salesforce can provide. First is software as a service. So pre-built software available for immediate use. So that is why it is termed as software as a service. Then platform as a service provides a framework for building custom applications, examples like Salesforce App Cloud. Then infrastructure as a service. So infrastructure is like, I'll come to that in quite some time. Like enables advanced customization and hosting capabilities, though less commonly used in Salesforce. So if you ask me whether Salesforce is an PaaS, SaaS, or IaaS, I would say it is SaaS and PaaS. It's a combination of both. Okay, so here are the plethora of clouds related to Salesforce, and this is an outdated image which is available, but I was sorry I was not able to bring in the right set of logos or maybe right set of names for those products. But this is just an glimpse of all the clouds available within Salesforce, and we nearly have 20 plus clouds available in market today, which is going to evolve as well in future. So we'll go deep into it, and maybe we'll discuss what it is and how it is used in today's business. Okay, first is Sales Cloud, which is again we term that as a core cloud. Sales, service, and marketing will term that as core clouds. It is helpful in managing the sales process, and here are the key features related to it and the common use cases related to it. And then we'll come to Service Cloud, where we can deliver multi-channel customer service. So if you have a question, like if you have some queries related to the product that you have purchased, or if you have a complaint related to the service that you got from some of the brand, if you're raising a case related to it, this is where that cases are managed, and this is where your complaints will be routed to the right person to answer. Then Marketing Cloud, personalize and automate marketing. So as I said before, your phone number and email addresses will be collected to communicate with you either via email or via any of the mobile platforms like SMS, WhatsApp, and any of the applications on mobile. So for this, you are going to use Marketing Cloud. And in Marketing Cloud, we have different products available. So I have listed two here, but another two products are part of this training, that is Growth Edition and Advanced Edition. So first is like Marketing Cloud Engagement, which again, these Marketing Cloud related introduction we'll be covering in the next session, where we'll be covering all four products together: engagement, account engagement, growth edition, and advanced edition, and how each of them are different from one another. So I will skip this particular two rows here, and then we'll jump into Commerce Cloud, unified B2B and B2C e-commerce. So if you own an e-commerce website and if you want to personalize your journey with the customer, then you can go and purchase a license related to Commerce Cloud. Then Experience Cloud, it is more or less like a digital experience that you are going to create to your customer, where you can embed some of the bots or maybe an agents, which we call the name by today, where you can get an interaction with your customer on a UI where it's more or less like a website. Then Financial Service Cloud, tailored CRM for financial sector. So if you are a banking business or a financial company where you wanted to get all the information like related to the banking sector, we do have some standard objects available for that, which will store all the information related to your customers and the banking side of the business. Then Health Cloud, which is like an healthcare relationship management. So if you are a brand related to health, maybe like an hospital or a clinic, All the information related to the patient or care related information, everything will be in one place, and there will be some standard objects available for that. And you can also create your custom objects based on your business need. Then non-profit cloud, fundraising and program management for non-profits. Then some of the key features here are like donor management, grants, volunteer coordination, etc. Then education cloud. If you are an administrator or if you are managing an education institution, then you can also use Salesforce to keep all the information about your staff, students, and everything in one place. All the administration things can be managed in one place through education cloud. Then manufacturing cloud, and these are some of the things we call that as industry based clouds, like financial service cloud, health cloud, and manufacturing cloud. Align sales and operation in manufacturing, where you can make use of sales agreements, demand forecasting, collaboration, and sync forecast with production planning. And we do have another list of clouds available, starting from media cloud, and media planning and ad sales. Everything happens here. And this is not completely related with marketing platform, but you can make this as a related ones as well. Energy and utilities cloud, support for utilities and energy related, when you have some outage happening, or if you want to alert your customers or maybe the users, then you can make use of this particular cloud. Then public sector solutions, and if you want to digitize government services, you can also make use of this public sector solutions. And we do have one of the older cloud known as philanthropy cloud, which is retired now, which was helpful for CSR engagement for employees, but that is no more available. Then we have App Cloud, which is nothing but a Salesforce platform itself, where you can build your custom applications on Salesforce by using Apex, Lightning, App Exchange APIs. So Apex is nothing but an proprietary scripting language or proprietary coding language that is used within Salesforce. Sorry, it's not a scripting language. It's like a coding language that you can use within Salesforce. And then custom business apps, you can create using your low code, no code techniques. Then we do have analytics cloud, IoT cloud, and the recently one is data cloud, which is again one of the buzzword in the market. And we'll be covering at least the basics of data cloud and how you can incline data cloud with marketing in our future sessions. So I will not reveal much about data cloud and Einstein One platform now. Then we'll move on to net zero cloud to track and reduce carbon footprint. Again, we are doing something for the community where we live as well. Then the Slack platform, collaboration and workflow integration related things. If you want to communicate with your peers or maybe with the customers using a Slack channel, with a partner with a Slack channel, you can do that here. And Slack is also like owned by Salesforce today. And why Salesforce? As Salesforce is an CRM, and there are many clouds which we discussed so far, and there are many businesses in the world which is operating on different areas. So if you want to serve your business and maybe like a business stakeholder, and if you're a business stakeholder, you can make use of Salesforce. And if you have some technical knowledge, then also you can learn Salesforce. And even if you're a non-technical user, then also Salesforce is going to help you in many ways. Again, based on your business need, based on your requirement, you can play around with the platform and bring the right tools in the right time and unify your customer experience in one place. So now we'll get into the career path. As I told in the previous slide, that Salesforce can offer something to each and everyone in the world, whether they are a business stakeholder, non-technical user, or a technical user. So here is the career path for each of them. We'll start with admin. As an admin, you are required to set up the account, like you need to do some user management stuff, data configuration, all these things in Salesforce. It can be any of the cloud that you purchase or any of the licenses that you purchase. Uh, as an admin, you are going to do these type of tasks. Then developer. As a developer, you will be like a code geek who is more interested in coding. So you have something known as Apex, which is again available within the core clouds, which I mentioned earlier, and also all the industry clouds as well support. But this Apex is not supported within marketing uh, clouds like engagement, account engagement, growth edition, and advanced edition. But to bring in some look and feel UI related things, you can make use of Apex and LWC. These type of development work you can do on Salesforce platform. And if you come to marketing side of the business, we do have some set of proprietary languages. When I take engagement, we have Apex. We have AmScript, we have SSJS, which will help us in coding customized work for us within marketing business. Then, if you're from an Pardot background or account engagement background, uh, HML, like handlebar merge language, which is more or less like an AmScript kind of proprietary language, which will help you in customizing your coding techniques for the business. Then on growth and advanced edition, which we'll be covering in further sessions. Again, I'm not going to reveal much here, but there are a lot in store which we'll discuss as the days pass by. Then consultant. As a consultant, you are going to map the process and solution, the design related to the business requirement. And then architect. If you are an architect, whether you are a technical architect or a solution architect, you are going to analyze the customer requirement and prepare an architectural flow, and then work with the customer uh, on a regular basis. Then marketer. If you're a marketer, then like you can build some campaign automations, journey designs, everything with the help of marketing clouds, which we discussed maybe on a high level. Then, if you're an analyst, whether it can be a data analyst or a business analyst, you can also play around in this platform. You can understand the platform and then play around with it with a lot of customizations and also standard things available. And the new, or maybe the new role that you can come across is like an AI specialist or an automation specialist, which would be like a role in future. And maybe now as well, we'll see a lot of people recruiting for AI developers. So we do have a set of AI features available within the Salesforce ecosystem, serving different areas of different business. Maybe like different clouds have different set of AI features available. So if you know all of them or if you can work on all of them, you have a job related to that in Salesforce. Even non-coders can become successful Salesforce professional, and with clicks, not code tools like Flow Builder, you can automate without writing a single line of code. So that is how easy Salesforce is, and that is how easy you can build your career in Salesforce. And here are two links that will help you to understand more about the career path available in Salesforce ecosystem. When I say career in Salesforce, it's not within the Salesforce organization. It is again outside the organization as well. There are partners. There are like customers who is interested to work on Salesforce, who has purchased a license on Salesforce and on all the different clouds, and they wanted developers, consultants, architects to help them build that particular tool. So this is the overall idea on the career path. And if you are looking for something in Salesforce, you can very well search either in the Naukri or LinkedIn. You can go and search for relevant skill set that you have, and you will find the right job for you. And we are not stopping there. Like as Salesforce is evolving day by day, and as an user, we might be stuck, like we don't know where to start and how to start. And that is where we have a few couple of items or maybe few couple of areas where you can learn Salesforce, maybe on a high level, and also deep dive into each and every technology related to Salesforce. As we covered lot of clouds already, each of them is separate, right? Each of the configuration is separate, and maybe the terminologies or maybe the objects and the related fields, everything is different from each cloud. So, as a new trailblazer, you might not be able to understand each and everything in one day. It's an ongoing process. You need to learn each and every cloud, and maybe not jump on all the clouds at once. Maybe start with the simple one first, and then get into the complex ones as days pass by. And one fine day, you will be like an expert on Salesforce, covering all the clouds. So my journey started with marketing, and maybe later with data cloud. So my focus is more towards marketing and data cloud alone. But still, as the future is near, like you need to understand all the clouds, at least basic of it, to be in the right place, to be there to answer any questions related to any of the cloud. At least the basic information related to any cloud is very much important nowadays, as we have agent force, as we have data cloud, which will bring in data from all the sources, and which will help you in feeding data to your agents, help them answer your questions. That is where at least a basic idea of all the clouds is very much important. So where to learn these informations? We have a few different areas, like a learning path you can consider, starting with Trailhead. Trailhead is like a gamification platform where you will, as soon as you complete one particular area of topic, you will be earning some badges and points. Again, it will be exciting to earn badges and points. That is where most of us, as a trailblazer, we are interested to learn from Trailhead. And here is the link for it. You can go ahead and create your account if you don't have. But again, you can use your personal email address, even if you're not working for any organization, you are a student, or maybe if you're not working anywhere, again, you can create your own account with your personal email address in Trailhead, salesforce.com. And Trailhead covers topics on an somewhat like an high level. So if you want to understand something on the deep technical information, like what Salesforce offers, and maybe all the technical details to it, like an implementation details to it, then you can right away jump into this help.salesforce.com, where everything is very detailed. You'll get lot of information here. And then last point here is like you can also join some of the trailblazer community events that would be happening near your location. There are a lot of trailblazer community within the location wherever you are, and you can register for any upcoming events, and whether it can be a virtual or in-person event, you can go and attend. Again, based on your skill set, based on your interest, you can choose and select the particular topic or webinar that you are interested in. And again, if you want some certification related to the topic that you are interested in, so if you are from a sales background, or if you are from a marketing background, and if you want to enhance your skill and get certified, then here is the place where you can go and get certification related details. And how marketing. So, how marketers can be helped in Salesforce ecosystem? As a marketer, Salesforce will help you in driving customer engagement across channels. It's not only aligned to email; it can be aligned to web and mobile as well. Then supports sales pipeline growth. And as we have Sales Cloud in place, you can combine your marketing related information with sales and then bring data in one place and build your sales pipeline. Then enable 360 view with data cloud. And again, if you're connecting your marketing cloud with data cloud, then you will have a 360 view of your customer profile, which will help you in engaging with them in a more appropriate manner. Then powers AI driven personalization. We have lot of features related to AI available, whether it can be a predictive AI or generative AI. We do have lot of things available for marketers, using which you can drive your personalization. Then improve ROI tracking and attribution. We do have a couple of platforms which will help you in analytics, like Tableau is one such platform which you can connect with Marketing Cloud and drive the business. And we do have some reporting within the platform, within Marketing Cloud environments, which will help you in increasing your ROI. Then again, we do have different platform for B2B business, B2C, and maybe for SMBs as well. So you can combine everything together and bring some unification for your marketing profiles or customer profile. Then all of these are based on trust. There is a trust layer, which is foundation for Salesforce. So no need to worry about the security. All the privacy related, compliance related regulations are very well maintained in Salesforce ecosystem. So all the regulation rules, like GDPR, HIPAA, all these things are very well considered. So being said this, we'll be closing uh, we'll be closing this particular video with some of the resources. So here are some of the resources where you can understand what is cloud computing, and maybe we have one YouTube channel here, Salesforce Emily, which will help you understand more about Salesforce ecosystem, and what are all the platforms available and how it is helpful for you today. Then there are like 24 types of Salesforce clouds and their business use cases. Everything is listed down here in this website. Then you have some YouTube videos from Simply Learn, which will help you to understand Salesforce within 7 minutes, like an introduction video. And there is like a 9-hour video, I believe. There is one YouTube video which will help you to understand overall Salesforce ecosystem in one go. And there are a lot many. You can go and search in YouTube. You'll get a lot of videos related to Salesforce. Again, we did discuss about a lot of clouds already. So if you are interested to learn some other cloud, and if your area of interest is related to one of them, you can very well search something in YouTube and you'll get that information. And as I said, don't forget to use the official documents like help and trailhead to understand the actual information. And these documents will be updated, maybe as soon as there is some release happening, there will be an update you will see reflected in these documents. So don't rely mostly on the YouTube's videos completely, because that is going to evolve. Maybe today I'll be discussing something with you, like we have 24 types of Salesforce clouds, but maybe within an year there will be like 35 clouds available. So it's better. So now we are discussing, like, we have 24 types of Salesforce clouds available, but within few days or few months, there will be like an evolvement happening, and you will see like 35 clouds in the list. Then you might not think that this particular video is wrong, because Salesforce is evolving day by day. As day by day passes, there are like information is also getting updated. So it is better you understand each and everything in detail with the official document first. And as part of this growth edition training plan, I have started my first step, like where we'll be discussing only about Salesforce. And then maybe the next session, you can expect me helping you out in understanding all different marketing cloud, like engagement, account engagement, growth edition, advanced edition, maybe the basic information about them and how it is different from each other. Okay. Being said that, we'll be closing this session for today, and thank you everyone for watching this video till here. And we are going to continue this with our next session in the upcoming week. Thank you all.